Hi everybody, welcome on back to the channel. I'm Kiki. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a double crochet. A double crochet is abbreviated as DC in a crochet pattern. So to double crochet, again, I've just got my rows, couple rows of single crochets. I have one row of half double. I'm just kind of working off of what I've had before. So to double crochet, it's going to be much like the half double, where you flip around your yarn and you've got 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to go into that next hole of your project. Make sure you go all the way through so that you can see the braid. Whoop. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through so that, again, you've got 3 loops. This time you're going to yarn over, just pull through 2 of those loops, 1, 2, so that you're left with 2 loops. Then you're going to yarn over one more time and pull through those last 2. So to look at it again, go around your hook with your yarn, go through the next hole of your project, yarn over and pull through, so there's 3, yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. Go around, go into the project, pull your yarn through, pull through 2, so you're left with 2, and pull through 2. Okay guys, I really hope you were able to learn that double crochet, and again, like always, please tell me all about your journeys. You like to think that maybe this is just a script, but no, I genuinely want to hear all about how you guys are doing. I will talk crochet all day, any day. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time.